Yo, so Los Angeles Fishing, how you guys doing today? So right now we are working with a high tide, which is really dope. The tide came in, it's coming in currently right now. It's 4:30. I'll show you guys the tide chart. I usually like to get here an hour or two before, but I had to do some things and there was a lot of traffic Friday. But we're gonna be here for a good 4-hour session. So yeah, we're gonna be catching the tide right now, basically at its fullest, and yeah, this is gonna be good. Really cool. We're gonna be doing the drop shot today on the spinning combo, and then